In this video, I will be showing you how to create an account on Deepseek AI. Let's get started. I am on the sign-in page, and instead of filling out the email and password manually, I can easily connect using my Google account. I will click on the Log In with Google button at the bottom. This opens up a selection window where I choose my email address, which appears as Diane May. After selecting it, I am prompted to confirm my action. I will look for the Continue button on the lower right and click it to proceed. The page loads for a moment and brings me directly into the interface. I see the main dashboard with options like Instant, Expert, and Vision. Now I will click into the text box that reads Message Deepseek. I will type in a test request. Recommend 10 documentaries that teach science, technology, or history. Once the sentence is fully typed out, I will move my cursor to the blue arrow icon on the right side of the text box and click it to send. The AI begins processing my request. It displays a note showing that it is searching for relevant educational content. In just a few seconds, the results generate below my prompt. It gives me a clean, structured table categorized under the top tier, classic and modern masterpieces, detailing documentary series like Cosmos, their subjects, reasons why they are great, and the hosts. As I scroll down the page, I can see further categories like the modern innovators, which includes documentaries like The Farthest, Particle Fever, and The Social Dilemma. Each listing is perfectly formatted with clear descriptions. My account is successfully created and fully operational. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.